Hey everybody, good Sunday morning to you. It's just about 7:30 for your Sunday morning. We got some thunderstorms going to pop up this afternoon. Generally not expecting severe weather, but we may see some strong storms. So, hadn't necessarily planned on jumping on here today. The weekends are kind of like that, never know. But I got to looking at the data. Yeah, there are some thunderstorms around. There's enough to go on here and talk about. Same thing for tomorrow as well. So, let's go ahead and work our way through the rest of the weekend with a good forecast, right? So, not a cloud in the sky right now. Gonna stay that way for the next few hours. I do think we get up to about 60-70% cloud cover before 3, 4, 5 p.m. So it's gonna be partly cloudy for your afternoon. Wanted to go ahead and put up severe weather outlooks just to show you where it is and where it is not. Bottom line is for our area for today, Monday and Tuesday, we're just in general thunderstorm area. So this is a good thing. I'm going to show you, we're still going to have possibly some strong thunderstorms, but in terms of overall severe weather, yeah, the profiles just aren't that impressive. So let me show you what's going to kind of run things for the next couple of days. Here's a cold front sagging from the northwest into the area. It's actually already here. It's going to hang around for like the next 2 days, and it's going to govern these afternoon rain and thunderstorm chances. It is going to drop our temperatures down a little bit, but not hugely. So let's go ahead and take a look at this afternoon. I have things sped up to the 11. This is, what time am I looking at here? Yeah, this is 11 o'clock. This is approaching the noon hour today that I see a few thunderstorms start to pop up, looking predominantly over here on the Missouri side, as you can see. And so I'm going to go through about 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, just stepping through time. Here's 3. They're just going to be all over the place, guys. This is model data, is just kind of simulating that along that front this afternoon, we could see these storms fire. They don't look to me to be hanging on for too long of a time. Relatively short-lived thunderstorms, right? I'm up to 3, 4 p.m. now. Yeah, there's 5 p.m. 6 and 7 p.m. So, it looks to be between noon, around 11 o'clock, noon, 1. I mean, there's just some smaller stuff. Heavier stuff picks up here. When am I seeing that? 3, 4, towards the 5 p.m. hour. So, just kind of all over the place today. There is some instability. So, I mean, these could be robust little thunderstorms, especially if we pick up significant afternoon sunshine and heating, which we probably will. But lapse rates and wind shear are just not so impressive. And so that's a good sign. So strong-ish storms today. We may have a weather statement or two out of them. Not necessarily even expecting that. So we'll keep an eye on things this afternoon. I will let you know. Temperatures in the meantime, 86, 87 in Kansas City, about 83, 84 down in east central Kansas and west central Missouri. Wanted to go ahead and take a quick look at the week ahead as well. Our mid-level wind pattern is dominated by this anticyclone out here in the desert southwest, as you can see, and that kind of runs things throughout the week, but there's just enough short level disturbances. They're going to ride the ridge and pop over into our area. Like here, for example, I'm going Tuesday into Wednesday, that each day this week is going to have at least a 15 to possibly a 30% chance of showers and thunderstorms headed into your work week. So that anticyclone hangs out, stays in charge until, let's see, I'm moving into the early morning hours of Friday here that I see this trough dig in up across the Canadian border, but it is going to send a disturbance down to the south, stretching once again into our area. So I'm paying attention to Friday, Saturday, looks like with that time frame. However, we don't have to wait that long for our next disturbance, I don't think. Though that shortwave energy is going to bring a few things. Let me go ahead and move over here. I am looking at, this is Monday night into early Tuesday morning, that I do see one such disturbance bringing us some showers and thunderstorms from the northwest. Data this morning suggesting it may fade out around Kansas City. So that one's Monday night over into Tuesday. And then things crop up again Tuesday afternoon. This looks like possibly a little bit more widespread area of showers and thunderstorms there, stretching east central Kansas and west central Missouri. And I'm up to this is late night Tuesday headed over into early morning Wednesday. So those look like the most significant chances in the near term to me. But as I keep rolling through all of the days this week, I do see spotty hit and miss chances. It's a little bit far out to be talking about that trough digging across late week headed into Friday, Saturday. But I'm pretty confident there will be a disturbance with that as well. Data today suggesting that stays north of us. But like I said, getting pretty far out there. Temperatures in the meantime going to settle back into the high 80s. Don't get up to 90 again until Thursday and Friday. Pop back down with that weekend activity. I'm sure that is a cold front trailing off of that trough. That's going to be 86 for next weekend as you look at things right now. So this afternoon, picking up around the noon hour, just pay attention. There'll be some thunderstorms out there again. They may have some winds with them, some wind gusts, but not expecting severe storms. Just some thunderstorms, just some rumbles of thunder. But I will keep an eye on things. Keep you posted. Have an awesome Sunday. I will catch you back later.